top secret magic of science show. Is it magic or is it science? I don't really know. You're about to see some amazing things and learn stuff you